Hello everyone. For those of you who are unable to uninstall Avast Cleanup on their Mac, can follow this guide. So basically, if I go and show you my applications, so when you basically right click and move it to bin, then you get this error. The item Avast cannot be moved because it's open, and even you cannot right click it. You can just left click it and you can just open it. You cannot force quit it because it's not listed. So you can see these are all the apps I have running in the background. Um, so what you can do is you can go to the application, you can right click it, and then let me see, and then you have to go to show package content. Okay, then you will come to the content, you click on it, and then here you have the installer. You just need to double click on it, and then you will get this uninstall. Just right click, enter the password or thumb impression, uninstalling, give it any reason, send. There you go. So this way you will be able to uninstall Avast. Thank you. Thumb up if you like the video. Take care. Bye.